What's going on, my fitness seekers all over the world? KHP Fitness here with another video for you. Now my buddy got me the stringer, so I'm gonna go ahead and show the bro muscles as I go. And that's funny because I'll be working the bro muscles today. Biceps, triceps, gonna get a little ab work in too. But it's gonna run you through a little bit of what I do to keep the guns up and to salute, you know, keep the cops harassing me on the street for carrying these guns around everywhere I go. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. All right, let's get this show on the road. So the first move we got today is one arm standing curl. Now, I like to put you guys in a couple different positions so you can really see what I'm doing here. So you really want to concentrate on that contraction. You don't have to pull it so far that your arm bends in or anything. Especially if you're doing that, if you're pulling too far, you're not getting the most out of it because you want to put as much tension on the muscle as you go. You squeeze it up, let it go nice and slow, squeeze it up again. You see I'm kind of almost jerking it up there? You want to go ahead and get that because you'll get more muscle fibers engaged in the midst of it as you're going. And after that, what we want to go ahead and do is some standing preacher curls, and this will be done in conjunction right after the one arm curls. Let's move on. From there, we're going to be doing tricep pull downs. And as we're doing this movement, same thing. You want to make sure you're shooting it back pretty quickly, but controlling it on the way down. So you're trying to give you some different angles so you can see the muscles really working and how they fire. You see kind of shoulders getting there too, but it's really a move, and that's the stabilizer. There's really a move to really get those triceps involved into the movement, man. It's a really, really good move. Puts a really good contraction on that head. All right, and then from there, we want to go ahead. Now, see, this one I wasn't as sturdy because it was pretty tough. I should have stepped back a little bit. So if you feel it and it's too tough for you, make sure you step back. I got a little bit more control on the other view, readjusted myself, and really get that push out in front, bring it down nice and slow. And that's how I did it. Then I went ahead and did some standing bicep curls. You know, just in a fast motion to really rock out. Same thing with the tricep pullbacks. I really did this to rock out, get about 20 reps in to really squeeze out the rest of that glycogen. And then when I went into, like I said, I'll be doing a little ab work. So I went ahead and did some pull downs with those two. And then I went ahead and did some in and outs, putting a good amount of work on those abdominals as well. Whew, got a good sweat. There you have it, guys. That's how I get, you know, keep some size on these arms with the resistance band training, man. It's a big thing. Very convenient for me. Get the same pump that I would feel with weights, and that's what it's all about for me, man. Convenience and effectiveness, you know. Smarter, not harder. That's how I train. So comment, like, subscribe. More videos to come, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Talk to you guys soon. Boom.